We're trailing Paypay tricycle.
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight onto Isulan, Sharif Agwick Road.
You know, mga private service ba yun? O baka she's on a for hire. For service ata eh, no?
Service.
Ganun. So this is Dato Hofer. Daming dato dito ba? Ay mayaman. Significantly marami ding nag-improve din siya, no? Consideran natin. Maraming improvement. This is very positive. No? What do you think?
Nice.
So this is Dato Hofer. We're going home back to Jansan. Next town will be Esperanza. So dito sa Sultan Kudarat, yung divide ng municipality, yung Hofer, majority yung mga brother Muslim natin. Then pag Esperanza, Christian naman siya na area. But the governor is actually is a Muslim, no? Ngayon, Sultan Kudarat. Since our last visit here last year, I noticed a lot of mga improvements, no? Significant improvements. Economic activities medyo vibrant, no? It's something very positive also. So ito yung mode of transport dito, they call it Paypay. Paypay kasi parang payong yung, you know. Other areas kasi, for example Jansan, solid na pa yan eh, parang straight. So, dito naman mas magaan dito tingnan, no? What do you think?
Yes.
Oh, yun lang pala, no? Ang daming mga ano to, mga nagmamaneho dito. Yun pala ibig sabihin ng BPAT, Barangay Police Action Team, para mga force multipliers ng mga police. Ang dami na rin nagbibenta ng mga dito, lumber.